Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've been riding right out to here for quite a few weeks now, since washing her last time and actually taking care of the chain. It's gotten pretty filthy, so let's go through all the cleaning and the maintenance. We'll start with the chain. We'll use a bit of paraffin and a sprayer to get the chain clean. I use the link chain to mark when I've gone a full revolution around. I'm not too worried about any going on the tyre because I'm going to clean it all off anyway afterwards. I'm going to wash it all off with soap. So normally, yes, I would be a bit more careful, but because I'm doing a whole wash, then it doesn't really matter. You can see all the dirt's being agitated and it's coming off. And finally, a little bit of muck off. This is from concentrate diluted into a bottle. Then just get some of that soapy stuff into the chain, and you can get that onto the tyre as well. Now normally I would then clean the chain and dry it off, so I'd soap it up and then I would use a cloth to dry it off. But because I'm going to be using the pressure washer and the shampoo, then I'm just going to leave it on there for now. Right, just one job left to do. We've got to remember to oil the chain. Alright, so oiling the chain, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to dry the chain off as well. Just make sure there's no water in there that's going to end up trapped by the oil. Just hold the cloth, my oily rag, and then see a lot of the water and dirt comes off. This cloth wasn't particularly clean to begin with, but it's dry now, and by the time you're finished running it through the chain, see how some of the yellow surface rust that builds up on the chain comes off. You don't want to trap that in with the oil. You want that out of the way. Right, and then what I use to lube my chain is just some gear oil, some heavy oil. Brush that in there. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm borrowing the Ilford Stiggs toothbrush. She can have it back when I'm finished. But yeah, so then we just put a little bit of gear oil on the toothbrush. Like so. It just dips in, and then just a little bit, not too much. Let's find our reference point. So we'll use the link one to know when we've gone all the way around. And what you want to do is you want to put the oil on these outside plates, because what the oil is doing is just forming a protection layer between the plate, the metal, and any water that comes in. The actual lubrication for the chain is inside the links, so you're not really lubricating the way it goes around. What you're lubricating are the rollers and the plates, just to stop water from getting in there. So try to do the inside of the rollers because that's the bit that's going to come into contact with the sprocket. Obviously they're going to turn around, but then when we get back to this point, we know that we've done the whole chain. So both sides, both the outside and the inside of the chain, and then done to there. So now we have to do the next section. And you know, I've done dozens of chain lubes with this bottle of oil, and it's still got quite a lot of oil in there, so it's much cheaper than buying the specialist product sprays that do exactly the same job. They just cost you a lot more, because like I said, all that you're doing is using a little bit of sticky oil in there. That's going to stop the water from going directly onto the metal. You should keep the water off. You should help the roller as well when it contacts the sprocket. And that's it. After this, job done. So time to make it dirty again. Because you clean it so you can enjoy it. But the only way you're going to enjoy it is by going out on the roads and having a blast. I hope you have some great riding in 2023. I do like to know if you do anything different. If you think I'm doing something wrong here, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I try to answer every comment that I get on this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Please subscribe. If you think you have friends who would enjoy watching this or having a laugh at me being stupid, please share. It all helps the channel, and yeah, I'd like to increase my audience. There you go. There's the link chain. We're basically done. Waffled, whatever. Yeah, job done. See, there's a little layer of oil all the way through, even on the gloves. And that's the protection. But yeah, I hope to see you around. Thanks for watching this video. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you later. For now, noob out.